Welcome back to another video, guys. Today we'll be focusing on changing the Camry's lighting system to all LED lights, and I'll also be changing the flasher relay to allow for LED turn signals. By the way, I've already had previously changed the front headlights and the front side marker lights into LEDs, and as you can see, I've also added window visors. Alright, let's get started. First, remove these 3 clips. Remove the 3 10mm nuts here. Remove the 2 8mm nuts here. So first, I loosen the nuts, then just use my hands to remove them fully. Once the fasteners are all out, the taillight can easily come out. To remove the taillight, all you have to do is remove the taillight from these 2 clips. Pull on the taillight and then just give it a few hits on the side to release the clips. Do the exact same on the other side. Remove all the light bulb assemblies by rotating them. The side marker lights are 168 bulb types and use 5 watts of maximum power. These are wedge bulbs, so they just get pulled out. Remove the turn signal light bulb by pushing in and rotating the bulb. Mine was already missing. Put in the new bulb by doing the same thing. Make sure to match the 2 positioning points on the LED with the bulb assembly. The turn signals use 1156 bulbs with 27 watts of power, and the stoplights use 1157 bulbs with 27 watts of power. Do the same on the other side. Alright, time to change the bulbs on the trunk lights, which are basically just the reverse lights. This is a 1156 bulb, which uses 27 watts of power. Remove the carpet liner first by removing the clips, and then remove the old bulbs and replace them with the new LEDs. Alright, quick light test, and it turns out the turn signal is hyper flashing, so I need to add the aftermarket flasher relay. Remove the plastic trim on the door jamb area by pulling on it. Then remove the plastic trim over the fuse box. There is a plastic nut in the back that needs to be removed for this trim piece. I'll put any part numbers I can for the bulbs and this flasher relay in the description. So there's the flasher relay that needs to be changed out, and I got mine from the local parts store. Now, time to do the interior lights. Front map light trim just pulls right off, and you can just pull out the bulb and replace it with a new one. The rear interior light I had already done along with the front headlights and turn signals. Alright, quick light test. Thank you for watching and supporting me, guys. Please like and subscribe for more content that I will be releasing soon.